Satya. Satya is the second restraint in Yama. Satya means truthfulness. Truth means actual. The truth is that which agrees with reality, absolute, honesty. There is no fluctuation but only constancy in truthfulness. One can attain everything by means of truth. Everything subsists in the truth. Truth is that in accordance with the facts. The truth is eternal and never changing. Truth never dies. In all crises of life, in all changing patterns of life through the ages, the truth remains the same. Even an iota of the truth will not change. A thing is said to be real, that is true, when it does not change its nature. A thing is said to be unreal, that is not true, when it changes its nature. You need not listen to the lectures of the great souls to know about the meaning and the value of the truth. No need to read the scriptures. Observing what is happening around you and understanding the situation and the event gives you the best training to practice Satya, the truth. You cannot exclude the mention of the truth if you would not like to say the truth. The question is how to realize the truth practically. Speaking the truth minimizes the thought waves. So, speaking the truth is necessary to control the thought waves of the mind, that is the practice of yoga. This is the importance of yoga. If you ask any person the questions like, are you telling the truth always? Or, have you spoken the truth in the past? No one will say, yes, I am speaking the truth. Or no one will say, yes, I told only the truth in my past. This is because there is a problem for everyone to always say the truth. This is because the situation or the circumstances one is facing. In this type of situation, one should practice Sanatana Dharma, the eternal Dharma, eternal virtue. The eternal Dharma is Satyam Bruyat, Priyam Bruyat, Na Bruyat, Satyam Apriyam, Priyanjananratam Bruyat, Esha Dharma Sanatanaha. One should tell the truth which is pleasant. One should not tell an unpleasant truth. One should never tell a lie to please others. This is the eternal Dharma. That is our Sanatana Dharma. There is an information which is correct and true in a particular situation. But this information may not be true on other occasions. And this information is true for a certain period of time. The individual should tell this truth which is correct and true in that particular situation. This type of truth is known as Chara Satya, the moving or the changing value of the truth. But the permanent truth never changes at all. This truth is always true. This truth is called Sthira Satya, or the eternal truth. Truth always exists, never vanishes. No one can reveal it for the first time nor discover it. People only rediscover it. Truth never changes nor evolves. Only its form of presentation changes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.